Hey peeps, it's LaVeeda from What Can't LaVeeda Do? Would you like to know what to do with those leftover sweet potatoes from Thanksgiving? Well, keep watching as I make these sweet potato biscuits. Enough talking, let's get started. Okay peeps, let's get started on making these sweet potato biscuits. Okay, I've done a few things off camera just so we wouldn't take up too much time. But in this cup, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have a tablespoon of sugar. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I have a half a teaspoon of salt. So everything is already mixed up. Pour right in the bowl. Next thing we're going to do is add 1 stick of butter, unsalted butter. Now I put this butter in the freezer so that as I'm kneading the dough it doesn't melt right away. The colder the butter, the more light and airy the biscuit will be. So now I'm going to take my pastry cutter and just cut the butter into the flour. We want to incorporate this butter into the flour. And you know it's nice and incorporated when the flour begins to look like sand. I know, birds. I know. Yeah. I know. So I'm just getting the butter that's stuck between these grades here. Now the pastry color has done most of the work, so now I'm going to get dirty and actually come in here and squeeze the butter between my fingers to get it nice and incorporated. And as you can see, it's looking kind of lumpy and sandy. That's exactly what we want. So now, here is my sweet potatoes that I mashed up. And this is about 2 cups. And 2 cups of mashed sweet potatoes is probably maybe 1 medium and 1 small sweet potato, whole sweet potato, or 2 medium sweet potatoes. Either way, we don't need to know that because it's leftovers, right? It's already smashed up. Okay, and to this, I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of buttermilk. And that's all the ingredients you need, people. At this point, we want to make sure everything is nice and incorporated. Actually, I'm going to put my hands up in here. Your hands are your best utensils, people. Okay, I'm going to scrape everything off my hands. At this point, everything is coming together, and you don't want to overmix at this stage because we're going to do just a little bit of kneading before we actually cut the shape of our biscuits. So I'm going to stop at this point. That's how it's looking. And I'm going to sprinkle some flour onto my surface here. so that it doesn't stick as I'm kneading. And just scrape everything onto your surface. Now we're going to gently just fold everything together. Yeah, as I'm doing this, I'm gonna have music playing anyway.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay, all right.
And as you're kneading, you want to make sure that you are taking in all these bits of flour and butter. It's like the blob. Y'all remember that blob from the, what was the 70s? We're just running around the city and just devoured everything in its path. That's what this is the blob. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little more flour onto my surface because it's beginning to stick. But it's coming together nicely. So now at this point, I want to fold over to create those layers. Those flaky layers. Smash it down, turn it, fold it into thirds again. 1, 2. Turn it, smash it down, fold it into thirds. 1, 2. Turn. I'm going to do one more layer. Fold 1/3 way and then the final third. Turn. Now we're going to flatten it just a little till it's about 1 inch high. So we want nice high biscuits. And I hope you can see this. We have specks of butter and specks of sweet potato in there. This biscuit is going to be good. Not G-O-O-D, but G-U-D. Okay, I got my biscuit cutters here. You want to put in and turn. And just pop it out. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Okay, I'm all done forming my biscuits. I'm gonna wash my hands and put everything in my cast iron skillet. So my friend Shalonda came over just in time to be one of my taste testers.
Okay. All right.
All right, girl, let me get a biscuit first so I can be right with you.
Okay. Are we taking it? Are we? Is it? Can they hear us?
Hold on. There she is.
Okay. Are we eating with a knife and fork, or are we taking it to the head?
You want to slice it open?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you should know that I totally didn't plan this. But for real, I kind of sensed that she was making some sweet potato biscuits. That's a lie. That's a lie. Okay. All right. I am going to be impartial.
So how does it look?
So first off, it looks really good. There's a really good orange color. Ooh, it's hot. And it's hot. Oh, damn it. Ooh, oh, wait a minute. This is PG-13. I'm sorry. Okay, what happened was I dropped the butter and then the biscuit fell on top of the butter. It's a whole thing. Okay.
The whole thing.
All right. All right. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot.
Yeah, it's right out the oven.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm smelling some of that maple syrup from when I first originally made it. Can you smell it?
Yeah, I can smell it. So I like it. It's good. What you think?
Mmm. It's nice and sour. I can taste the sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, winter chicken dinner.
Mm.
I don't even eat chicken.
But you eat dinner.
Yep. Winter, I eat dinner. Winter, I eat the dinner. Speaking of which, I need to go make some dinner.
Mm.
But yeah, y'all need to make these. You gonna make them?
You know I don't cook.
It's easy. It's real easy.
Why should I cook when I can just come here and get them?
True that, true that. Damn, these suckers good.
Whew, Lord.
Damn, I'm sweating. Almost wiped the butter on me. I thought it was the napkin. All right, peeps.
Are you sweating butter?
Oh yeah, I'm sweating butter.
She's sweating butter, y'all.
I'm sweating butter.
Okay. So these are really good.
Mmm. Oh yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I thought you were trying to steal my piece.
I'm not trying to steal your butter.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell so that you get some notifications of when I post my next video. I appreciate you and see you in the next video. Cheers. COVID.
We already ain't got no masks on. But be safe. Be safe.
Oh, that was